Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious fruit bread tarts, and I'm going to share with you a really easy recipe for sweet bread dough. So let's get started. To make the yeast mixture, we're gonna need warm milk. I'm adding a little bit of granulated sugar to the milk, and then we can add dry yeast. Always make sure you use warm liquid when working with yeast. Hot liquid will kill the yeast. Add a little bit of flour and whisk this and let that sit for about 5-10 minutes. While that's happening, we can prepare rest of the ingredients. I'm adding a little bit of salt to flour and also granulated sugar. For the wet ingredients, you're gonna need melted and cooled butter, egg yolk, and a little bit of vanilla extract. You can see the yeast is ready, is all foamy and bubbly on the top. So we can make the dough. Into a bowl, add dry ingredients, yeast mixture, and all of the wet ingredients. I'm going to stir it until combined, and then we will be using hook attachment to knead the dough. I'm going to knead it for about 10 minutes or so until the dough pulls away from the sides. If it appears too wet, you can add a little more flour, and if it appears too dry, you can add a little more liquid. I'm going to knead it for about a minute or two. Beauty of this dough is that you don't have to let it rise. So I'm gonna start working with it right away. I've got my tart pans ready. You need to spray these with non-stick spray. Now we're gonna cut out rounds and place each round into the mold. I'm going to let this sit while we prepare the toppings. To make the streusel topping, I am using flour, powdered sugar, and softened butter. Once ready, you can set that aside, and then we can prepare the fruit. I'm not gonna make the fruit. I'm not that clever. And to pit the cherries, if you have a handy cherry pitter, you can use that. I don't have this tool, so I'm just using a bamboo stick to remove the pits. I'm also going to use some ricotta cheese. So I'm adding a little bit of butter, 1 egg, and powdered sugar and splash of vanilla. Stir it until combined and also set that aside. I'm also going to use blueberries. I love blueberries. I added a little bit of sugar to the blueberries. And now we're going to add a layer of sweetened ricotta cheese onto each tart, and then you can top it with the fruit of your choice. I'm not gonna add any more sugar to the cherries because they are super sweet, but the blueberries, I find that it helps to add a little bit of sugar, as well as strawberries. Raspberries would be really awesome with this as well, or peaches, apricots. Now we're gonna add that streusel on the top, and I'm going to let these rise for about 40 minutes or so, and then we can bake them off for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the oven at 350 degrees of Fahrenheit. Let them cool completely, and then you can remove them from the shells. The beauty of these is that they don't need the first rise, and second thing is you can actually freeze these and enjoy them later. I often make these in the summer when seasonal fruit is abundant and really flavorful, and then we can enjoy them in the winter time. And here they are, beautiful, delicious fruit tarts. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know if you tried this recipe. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.